The healthiest your hair can be is on its virgin natural state. There is no arguing with that. And we do want healthy hair, but hair is also a fabulous way to express yourself. Whether it's by hairstylings, by haircut, by your texture, but also by hair colors. I bleach highlight my hair and dye my hair. To be fair, I have been wanting to go blondish for such a long time, probably 15 years, and it took me this long to take the plunge and do it. The reason why I hadn't dared before is because of societal conventions. It is exactly the same reason why I used to relax my hair and wear it straight, because it was more accepted and it was just easier to navigate life with straight hair. Things have changed dramatically in the last 10 years, at least in Western Europe. 10 years ago, 8 years ago, I wouldn't have dared to go to a job interview with my natural hair. Even as a school teacher, I didn't dare to go to the classroom or to meet parents with my natural hair. No way! Now, I feel very comfortable doing so and no one bats an eyelid. I'm not saying that everything is rosy. There is a long way to go in Europe on the acceptance of diversity and natural hair. Progress has been made, even if slowly. Now I've not only embraced my natural texture, I took the plunge and I am now blondish, and I have been loving every minute of it. Going blonde with a base as dark as mine takes a lot of commitment and a lot of effort to upkeep, and my roots are in desperate need of seeing my stylist little hands. So here's a peek on how I do to prepare for that. Hello friends, and welcome to my channel where we talk everything to do with hair care for your natural looks. My name is Irena and these are the French coast. Today's video I'm going to walk you through what I do to prepare for a chemical service. I bleach highlight my hair twice per year, and in between those sessions I filled in my roots because I have a lot of grey hair. And to make everything cohesive with permanent hair dye, which I get done by my amazing Dominican stylist. I will make sure to leave her details down below in case you're on my neck of the woods. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm going to start with a pre-shampoo treat. I'm going to be using the Brioche Scalp Revival Oil. And this is solely because it makes me feel pampered and lovely. And I love how moisturized and soft it makes my scalp feel. But I don't believe rosemary oil will give me new hair follicles, not that it will grow my hair faster. And I know rosemary oil still is trending and a lot of influencers swear by it, including some TikTok doctors. But all the fuss comes from a misinterpretation of a single study. Yes, just the one study comparing the effects of minoxidil 2% and rosemary oil. Serious dermatologists only prescribe minoxidil at 5% concentration, as 2% is too weak to actually make a difference on hair growth. I still love this oil. Perhaps the placebo effect will trick my brain into producing better, faster growing hair. I would love to know what are your favorite hair oils. Please let us know in the comments down below. I'm going to start by pre-detangling my hair before clarifying. I love this Color Wow snag-free detangler, but any conditioner would do. Then I will clarify my hair using the most powerful clarifying shampoo I own, and the one that I truly recommend for low porosity curlies and to prepare for any chemical service. Having such a high pH at 9, this shampoo is able to penetrate the cuticle and remove all impurities deep within the hair shaft. I've applied the shampoo exclusively on my scalp, and I will work the resulting salty mixture towards my meats and ends to remove all impurities from my hair. I'm going to squeeze out as much water as I can out of my hair. I'm going to separate my hair in 2 sections, and I'm going to apply 2 pumps of K18 per section. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to activate the mask before application. I still like to emulsify it between my palms to better see where I'm applying the mask. Once I apply the mask to both my sections, I'm going to let it work as instructed for 4 minutes. I love keratin before any type of chemical service because it strengthens the hair before the storm. Once 4 minutes have passed, I'm going to apply a hair mask just to reinforce the moisture retention on my hair and to make my hair more manageable and easier to detangle. I love keratin for jobs like this, before a chemical service and after a chemical service. All done and my hair is nice and clean. I am going to go for a protective style. I'm going to be braiding my hair. Unlike to when I wear my hair curly, I'm going to towel dry my hair with a microfiber towel because I don't want my hair to be soaking wet. I still want to apply some leave-in conditioner to lock in moisture. And I'm gonna go for this Ceremonia Guava leave-in conditioner. It smells lovely. Guava is one of my favorite fruits and I miss it a lot from the Caribbean because there is no guava in Europe. Let's go off the top. The reason why I'm going for a protective style is because I don't want my stylist to detangle my hair curly. Drying curls dries causes a lot of breakage. It is a lot more painful, time consuming for both of us, and overall it's just such a bore. A protective style, it's going to allow my hair to be more or less tangle free by the time I get to the chair. Now that my hair is all braided, I'm going to let it dry throughout the day. If by nightfall it hasn't finished the drying process, then I will have a go at it with my blow dryer on low heat, low speed, as to dry the interior of the braid and not sleep with wet hair. I will see you in a couple of days, but what for you is right now.
Shaping to the salon!
And here's my hair, nice and ready. Roots touched up, lengths toned, and I feel like $1 million. I've been enjoying this blowout now for a couple of days, and this is a prime example of do what I say and not what I do, because ideally you wouldn't ask for a blowout on your curly hair after a color service or any type of chemical service because you want to minimize stress on your hair. But as I mentioned, I have a Dominican stylist, and if you have never had a Dominican blowout, oh my god, a Dominican blowout is something else. So go and get one at least once if you can. Next week I will be back to my curly self with a new series featuring exciting new products. So make sure that you are subscribed and that you ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any new uploads. Remember to give this video a like if you've liked what you've seen. Please share my channel with a friend so that we can reach even more people and I can continue to make these videos for you. If you do all of those actions, you will help me so much with the algorithm to keep on growing on YouTube. Having said all that, thank you so much for watching and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye bye guys.